amohela mona inside the baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baby Bab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baby Bab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsaka mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Yippee!
Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Mora and Kunjani, Rialocha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. How's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Mora and Kunjani, Rialocha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tobela, Abusheng.
Ke tshepa hore le ratile pina ya rona metswalle.
Le nna ke e ratile haholo.
Baby Bab, nna o tshaba lefifi?
Jo, ke e tshaba haholo.
Hobaneng o e tshaba Baby Bab?
Hobane ke dula ke nahana hore ho ka ba le ntho e ka ntsha kotsi.
Hao, Baby Bab, jwalo ka eng?
Jwalo ka kgodumodumo.
Ha, Baby Bab, ha ona kgodumodumo e ka o etsa kotsi ha o le lefifi.
Atjhe, empa monahano wa ka o ya teng.
Ke a tseba hore re ka ntsha letswalo la hao la lefifi jwang.
Jwang Lolo?
Ka o ya robelletsa ka ntle. Camping.
Atjhe, o tla nthusa jwang?
Ha o le ka ntle bosiu le batho ba tshepang, o tla bona hore lefifi ha le tshose hakalo.
Atjhe, nna ha ke tsebe Lolo.
Ntshepehle mokgotsi. Tsohle di tla loka. Jwale re hloka ho pakela dijo tse ngata.
Dijo?
Eya, dijo.
Tse ngata?
Eya, tse ngata.
Ho lokile, re ka nna ra tsamaya.
Hao Baby Bab, re hloka ho itukisetsa pele.
Jwang jwale?
Re hloka ho pakela ntho tse re di hlokang, jwalo ka dikobo, ditotjhe, dipitsa, diaparo, jwalo jwalo.
Oh, empa o leletse ho bala ntho e nngwe.
Dijo?
Eya, re hloka ho pakela dijo tse ngata.
O nepile Baby Bab, ke thabela ha e se le mona o batla ho ya camping jwale. Ho tlile ho ba monate.
Eya, monate haholo.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se keng le tsamaya metswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Hello again, my adventurous friends. Welcome to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Yes! Hello again!
Today, we're exploring what it would be like to go out camping.
That would be so much fun!
Baby Bab, let's go see what our eye in nature and friend, the giraffe scope, has for us today.
Yes, please!
Okay, let's go! This is our friend, the giraffe scope.
Yippee! Giraffe scope!
We love the giraffe scope. When we look through the giraffe scope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The giraffe scope is very clever. Here are a group of children out camping. They look very happy to be outdoors. There's grass and trees everywhere. Look, these ones are putting up a tent. It looks like a lot of work just to put up one tent. But it sure looks fun though. And these ones are roasting marshmallows over the fireplace. Remember, fire is very dangerous. Only do this when there's an adult around. That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Lolo.
See, I told you the giraffe scope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the giraffe scope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail!
Radio ya rona e se e loketse ho bapala pina e monate. Nna le batla ho utlwa.
Eya, le nna ke batla ho mamela.
Le se le lokile metswalle. Ho lokile, ha re bineng he.
Yay!
Sunshine, sunshine, wakes us up every morning. Letsatsi, re ithutele bapale. Sonskeng, come and sing our song. Sunshine, sunshine, fun in the sun all day. Sunshine, gives us light to see. Sunshine, fun for you and me. Sunshine, gives love to the trees. Sunshine, guides the honeybees. Sunshine, wakes us up every morning. Letsatsi, today bapale. Sonskeng, come and sing our song. Sunshine, fun in the sun all day. Sunshine, warms us up when it's cold. Sunshine, for the young and old. Sunshine, goes to sleep when it's late. Sunshine, wakes up again, oh great! Sunshine, wakes us up every morning. Letsatsi, today bapale. Sonskeng, come and sing our song. Sunshine, fun in the sun all day.
Yippee! Tsokotsa mohatla waka!
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Hello again!
Today, we are being super adventurous and learning about how it is to go out camping.
Oh, yes! I now know that camping lets you get to know the different types of bugs and plants there are out there.
That's good, baby. Baby Bab. You can make use of your 5 senses very well when you're out camping.
Oh, how, Nolo?
Well, it's very simple. You can smell the fresh flowers, taste the roasted marshmallows, feel the warmth of your sleeping bag, hear the crickets at night, and see the beautiful sun rise in the morning.
Oh, wow! Now I really want to go camping.
Well, since we can't go camping right this minute, would you like us to make a beautiful sun that we can watch every morning?
Oh, yes, I would love that, Nolo.
So, would you like for me to show it to you right now?
Yes, please.
What about you, friends? Would you like to see how I make it? You would? Alrighty then. This is our magic toolbox, Thuli, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make your very own handprint sun. Let's wake Thuli up. Hello, Thuli. I'd like to make a handprint sun. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Oh, great. It sounds as if Thuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need a plate, some paint, some paint brushes, two different color markers, glue, a pair of safe scissors, colored A3 paper, a plastic cup, a bottle of water, I can't feel anything else, Thuli. Is that all I need? Oh, great. Let's go make our handprint sun. Sun is shining, sun is shining.
Make and do, make and do.
Oh, Nolo, do we have everything?
Yes, we've got everything, Baby Bab.
Wow.
Now I can show you how you can make your very own handprint sun.
Yippee!
Let's make it.
Yes.
So first, we will take a plate and some yellow paper.
Oh, wow.
Friends, always ask permission before taking the plate. You don't want to be a thief, do you? So, we'll put the plate upside down, like that. Then we take a marker and then we trace on the paper around the plate to make a nice big circle.
Round.
Then move the plate. Take your scissors. Friends, ask an adult to help you with the scissors. You don't want to cut your fingers. And you cut around.
Looks like a ball, Nolo.
Yes, Baby Bab. The sun does look like a ball. Baby Bab, did you know that the sun is actually a very big star?
Wow.
Yes, Baby Bab.
Stars. Oh.
Now that we're done cutting, we'll take another piece of yellow paper, then a handprint.
Ah, is that your hand, Nolo?
No, Baby Bab, I actually got this from the internet. But,
Oh.
friends, you can actually use your hand.
Oh, yay!
So, take your hand and trace around.
Oh.
Like that.
How many hands are you doing, Nolo?
Well, you can actually make as many as you want. But I think I'll make about, 6?
6. Yeah! Wow!
And around. So you make as many handprints as you want. Then you cut them out. All the way around.
Oh! 5 fingers and cutting all the way round.
When you're done cutting, your handprints will look something like this.
Oh!
See?
Ooh! How many did you cut, Nolo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh!
So, here comes the fun part. You take your circle, and what you'll do is you'll glue your hands around like that.
Oh! It looks like ears!
Oh, Baby Bab. So, take some glue, put some on the hand, then you stick it behind the sun.
Oh!
And round you go.
Oh! Round, round, round!
And here's another one. And the last one.
Oh, last one!
There you go.
Oh, I love it, Nolo!
When you're done, take your paint, cup, pour some water in the cup, that's so you can clean your paintbrush when you're done painting.
Oh, yay!
Then we take our paintbrush, open up our paint. I chose to use red paint.
Okay. What
Yeah.
are you painting, Nolo?
I'll paint the hands.
Oh, yay!
These are what we call sun rays.
Oh, yay!
Paint your rays like that.
Oh, wow!
When you're done painting your sun rays, put your paintbrush away, close your paint. Let's give it a nice clean. Put it away. Then we'll take our marker. I'm going to draw a little face on the sun.
Oh, yay! Smiley!
Start with the eyes. Some eyelashes. Then I'll draw the pupils.
Oh, wow!
Make sure you stay within the lines, friends. Like that.
Wow, Nolo, you're very good at colouring in. Oh.
Thank you, Baby Bab. Then I'll draw a smile.
Yay! Smiley! Oh, wow!
Then you take a red marker so that you can draw cheeks here and here. I've already made mine here. See, Baby Bab?
Oh, yay! Wow, Nolo! Oh!
And there you have it, friends. Your very own handprint sun.
Twist my tail!
Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena. Tsatsing lena, re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo. Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale. O se ke wa tshwenyeha, Baby Bab. Re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape. Ke a o tshepisa. Salang hantle. Tsatsing lena, inside the Baobab tree, re ithutile ka ntho tse fapaneng tse re thusang ho hlalohanya lefatshe la rona. Re ile ra bina pina e monate le singing radio. Ebile re iketseditse texture hand ka nako ya make and do. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab tree. Ho ne ho le monate ho ba le lona. Salang hantle metswalle.